What's up everybody, Res M3 here, and today I'm going to be answering the question, is it worth buying a brand new M3 at like around the 65-70,000 price range, or is it worth getting a GTR? Today we're going to find out. Let's go. Alright, and to help answer these questions for me today, I have my good friend here, Benny.
Hey, what's up? Benny Zhang here.
He's owned both the M3 and the GTR, so we're going to ask him a few questions. So let's go ahead and start this right quick. So Benny, first off, I want to ask you, how long did you own your M3 for?
About 2 years. I leased it when I was a client advisor at BMW. It was a great car. It was one of the best dailies. Drove it in the New York winter for 2 years. I had Blizzaks, tuned it, modded, whatever you can think of. Very similar to Rez's style, except I didn't have red wheels, but overall,
hey, you gotta do the red wheels.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of miss my M3 now, after seeing yours and having the lip and everything going on.
Fun fact, Benny sold me my lip last year, I think. And now, what was your, how long have you owned your GTR?
I bought my GTR back in, wow, is it almost going to 2 years? 2018. So in October of 2020, it will be effectively 2 years.
Some AMG action over there.
CLS, AMG 63, don't worry about it. I love my car. What I've done with my GTR is just power mods so far. If you think the wheels are aesthetics, it's more for grip than anything, but my tires are bald. But besides the point, basic cob tune, downpipes from AMS, ETS mid-pipe, Akrapovic, rear mufflers. I do have tile blow-off valves and some carbon fiber intakes from AMS. That's all I've done with the car. And my future goals is to go to full bolt-on status. I'll be honest right now, my car versus Rez's M3, I'm probably gonna lose in a roll for a fact, because I know boot mode's faster.
I don't know about all that. All right, and now the day-old question, or whatever you want to say, is in this day and age, Benny, now that you've owned both a GTR and an F80/F82, what would you say is better for the money? A new M3, M4, or a new or a used GTR?
If we're talking about back when you could get the F80s or F82s brand new compared to a used GTR, if you're just talking about one car alone, I would personally get an M3 or an M4, whatever have you. If you want the Cooper sedan.
Oh, you heard it here first, even though that's my dream car one day, but you heard it here first. And you were saying a little bit about how full bolt-on GTR versus like a stage 2 M3, you said that the M3 would take it. Is that like, that's obviously from a roll race, right?
Mm-hmm. From a roll race, when I had a full bolt-on M3, I would say I was pushing a little north of 600 horsepower just from a tuned downpipe and just running some E85, because you can run about 30% in the car and really be fine.
All right, so you heard it here first. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a few like row shots, just see the cars in action, moving, maybe a few launches, pulls, but other than that, you guys heard it here. In my opinion, I love my F80, but one day I do want to own a GTR. It's just one of my dream cars, and even though I might get some shit for it, I do want an R35, not so much the R34, the 32s, the 33s. My favorite is the R35, just the way it, the aggressive body styles, just to me, that's what I like. So let's go ahead and get these pulls done, and we're gonna go to a garage and do some exhaust clips and whatnot. Alright boys, first time driving a GTR. Benny gave me the chance, so we're gonna go ahead and do a quick pull here and you guys can get my reaction. Oh my god. That is so awesome.
Yeah. I needed a pull because I was so not ready for that. Oh shit. Oops. Take two.
Right, we'll do one more quick pull. And then we're going to take it back. Ready to go. That's a lot of fun. Alright, now we're going to get a quick pull in the M3. What happened? What happened?
I was not expecting you to shake the whole
shook everything, so I like literally didn't record that.
It's all good. Dude, that was awesome. So, change of plans. We actually got the cops called on us up here, but at least I'll get to show you some of the GTR pools. We couldn't get the M3 pools, obviously, because the cops got called on us. There was actually like 4 squad cars, and we tried to get a picture, and they're like, we can't do that. So, we're gonna head over to Benny's house, and then we're gonna take off from there. But fun night, fun night. Hey, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Rez out.
Yo, you went like, wow! Oh shit! I was like, Mustang. You went this, and then out, and then you caught track. I was like, this guy dusty tires. You probably should have.